Well, hello friends, and welcome back to the desk. Paula here, and this is my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I don't just do paper crafting, I do a lot of cooking and baking too, and we're heading into the season where there's a lot of that going on. Anyway, I'm going to make this quick. I didn't participate last week in Saturday Morning Makes, which is a wonderful collaboration put together by Jill Norwood. I'm going to put a link in the description box to her channel. Please go check her out and follow the hashtag SatMornMakes. It's going to open up to you a plethora of some of the most wonderfully talented people. You're going to get filled with inspiration. It's going to be coming out your ears. So, I had started this last week, but I didn't want to show a half-done project, so that's why I didn't video it. I waited. I know I'm preaching to the choir when I say us crafters can throw nothing away. I have about 15 to 20 of these craft bags in my closet, but this came from, who knows, one of the local boutiques in my town, or put whatever was bought in a craft bag, and of course I kept it because we don't throw stuff away. And everything in this little Christmas gift set was made with scraps. This paper was in my scrap bin. The paper for the trees was in my scrap bin. This craft cardstock was in my scrap bin, and I just had fun with it. And the trees were a die from AliExpress. It's these three here. I'm not sure if they still have it, but I'll look and link it in the description box if it does. I used the Tim Holtz word dies, the holiday collection of words, and I just went hog wild. As you could see from this here, I punched a bunch of winter and Christmas words with his dies, with scrap metallic paper and scrap glitter paper. I have more too, so I'll be doing more. The only thing that's a bit of a pain in the neck is the little dots on top of the J's and the I's. I have them lined up at the top of my desk. I guarantee you they'll be lost, but that's here nor there. And I did Merry Christmas with it. The joy, I used my Nestability from Spellbinders die to cut the little square. And the tag, I cut the tag out on my Silhouette Cameo. The stamp, this was a scrap piece of paper. I just cut it with my paper cutter and cornered it with my corner chomper. And then this is, I got this stamp from either the 18, probably the 18 Scrapbook Expo. And it just has a nice saying, may your Christmas be filled with love, peace, faith, traditions, hope, family, holiday memories, presents under the tree, joy, seasons, greetings. I thought that was a nice sentiment. I'm still, boy, I don't know what to do for Christmas cards. I'm up in the air. I'm like, oof, I don't know. I'm seeing tons of things. You know when you see so much, you see nothing. That's where I am. But I like making gift bag sets. I've done spring ones, and it's just a nice little personalized touch to add to your gift. Then I had lots of fun with something else. I will put a link in the description box. Look how cute these little boxes are. They are all done by folding. No die cut is needed. It's a 6x6 sheet of paper, or you could use an 8x8. To be honest, you could probably use whatever size you like, as long as it's a square. But this, I think, are going to be my Christmas table place markers. Much like how these are going to be my Thanksgiving, I will figure a way of how to put a name plate, and this will be for Christmas. And you could put Rolos or the little tiny wrapped chocolate snowmen or Santas or the little mini Snickers and Milky Ways. It's actually a perfect size. I don't even, no, that don't fit, but it's a decent size. This was 6 by 6. Her name is Rach the Stamper. You have to be very precise, and I'm going to tell you right now, that's not me. She said, make sure you cut straight and fold straight. I don't have a straight bone in my body. I'm about as crooked as they come. As you could see, you have to really line things up, but you know what? It's still cute. Even though I don't have a steady hand and I couldn't draw a straight line if my life depended on it. I'm the only person who could use a cutter and it still isn't straight. But I think you guys like making these because it's just folding. Folding in half both ways, making the corners meet. You fold, 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 and then you pop it open. So that's what we're going to do. I will put a link in my description box, as I said, and these are going to be my table markers. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to craft this week because we got Thanksgiving coming up and I got a lot of cooking, a lot of baking and such going on. So I did want to get this in, and I did want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I want to say a big thank you to the wonderful Jill, who this belongs to. She owns this collaboration, and it is a gift. It is a gift that brings joy, peace, and just lots of fun. Follow the hashtag SatMornMakes. Get on the bandwagon. Don't think you can't do it. Just try. You'd be surprised at what you'll find you're capable of. Alrighty, my friends. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Have a blessed Thanksgiving. Hug everybody and choose joy. Till next time.